Yo, what's up, guys? We are in Nusa Dua in Grand Hyatt Hotel today. We were here actually a few weeks ago, maybe 2 months, 3 months ago, something like that. However, it was quiet, but today seems to be busy. It's quiet, many people around. So we will see how's the situation. And also, one very interesting news about that's actually you will be interested about that tourism. And I'm gonna show you a little bit of the hotel also. Sayank is over there. And it's, as you see, there are some people around. It's quite busy today, I have to say, to compare to the last time especially. Situation, you know, the mask and stuff like this is like a sucks, really sucks, but what we can do with that, right? I'm gonna show you a little bit. People swimming. At least if you swim, you don't need to wear mask. However, I already saw one guy who is swimming with the mask on, so I'm not gonna record because I just gotta save his shame of that, but maybe that's how it is, right? So quite busy in the hotel, I have to say, and many happy kids also enjoying the hotel. This hotel is beautiful, by the way, and they also have bridges between the pools like this, and also the beautiful caves. Little bit situation on the beach. And Sayang here and the beach still very quiet, I have to say. People actually enjoy more likely the swimming pool and stuff like this, sunbathing there. Yes, honey?
Okay, so again here I'm reading one interesting article from the Bali Sun. It's actually published 2 days ago. It's about Indonesian tourism minister prohibits selfies without a face mask in Bali tourism areas. So it means that whenever you go to the tourist places, like going to Nusa Dua, going to the tourist objects or whatsoever it is, and you want to take a picture, selfie, you have to wear mask. Seriously?
That's why probably the guy was swimming in the pool also wearing the mask. But that sucks, actually, really sucks, guys.
So it means that whenever we wanna make a vlog and then we wanna take selfie, we have to wear a mask, especially in the tourist place.
That's why I always Photoshop my face and making picture at home. But that's actually pretty sucks, guys. So the only opportunity where we can say something is having a drink. So I think I go on the beach, I'm gonna walk with my Bintang Radler in the backpack, full backpack of the Radlers and always drink. At least that's legal. So, but that's pretty sucks actually, guys. You're gonna travel all around the world, paying a lot of money, quarantine, stuff like this, and you wanna go somewhere having a selfie on the, I don't know, on the beach in Nusa Dua, in the swing in Ubud, or I don't know, in Ulundanu Beratan, which is iconic place, temple, and you have to be with the mask. So you can Photoshop yourself also. I can make you the raw pictures and send you in Photoshop for free. That's how it looks. Seriously, that sucks, you know, but that's the reality. That's what they are planning, and that's sad, in my opinion. Is
Yeah,
sad.
because that in this article it says that the Indonesian tourism minister has banned people from taking selfies without face mask in all tourist areas, including in Bali. You see?
So that's how it is. Serious things, guys.
Okay, so then I think that in some of our vlogs previously, you know, like Damian walking on the beach by himself, wearing mask. So this is how actually the rule is. Whenever you go to the tourist place, you have to keep your mask
Not tourist
on.
place only, actually in public places everywhere around. It's not only tourist place, or in public places in general.
Yeah, even though you are alone on that public places, you
Like
have
this one,
to
for
wear
example.
mask.
Nobody is in the background.
Except
Remember,
you drink.
always we'll drink with you. Well, one more shot of the beautiful Nusa Dua beach, very empty, and there are some massage ladies trying to sell you the hot and probably manicure, pedicure, massage and stuff like this waiting for you. Unfortunately, they are alone, which is pretty sad, but actually, in my opinion, Bali is sad in general right now. I mean, the views like this. It's nice to see empty beach, but not for almost 2 years now. So that's going to be sad if nothing gonna change in the very near future, right? You can comment below what do you think, guys, about that.
All right. So last time also we read the news and articles saying that Nusa Dua will be the place for the quarantine. So it means that when you come to Bali and then you can quarantine in hotels in Nusa Dua like this. So would you like to come to Bali and then quarantine in Nusa Dua, just staying inside the hotel and then you cannot go outside?
You cannot come here to the beach or in the pool. You can only stay inside the room. And if you are lucky, you can watch this beach for the 8 days from your window. From the room. 8 days.
Oh my goodness.
All right. Also, interesting fact is that most of the people in this hotel, they are guests like me and Winnie, who coming only for swimming pool, but they are mostly local people, Indonesian tourists, and pretty sad because the massage ladies next door, they are quiet, right?
Yeah, so seems like local domestic tourists nowadays quite many, but the massage lady, the souvenirs lady who's selling on the beach, there, who are sitting waiting for customers, I think not much domestic people wants to buy or use their service. So yeah, that's so sad.
That's pretty sad indeed. And one more look to the beach and the ladies sitting and waiting. All right, and here is the situation of pool. Sayang, how is the water, honey?
Very warm. It's very warm. I really like it. It's very warm water. And look at the swimming pool there. Very nice ambience. Come, join me. Maybe you can show around.
So Sayang is swimming. Some kids join her. And let's have a look at the general situation. Little bit shot. They have a sushi box here. That's actually pretty nice. This shot is quite creative here. You can see people from behind. That's where I'm heading now. Like the bridges here. Alright, so Winnie is enjoying her time to the fullest. That's definitely. Honey, what are you doing?
Wow!
And jump.
Alright, so some of you in our comment section asking, where is Winnie? It seems like only Damian in the vlogs. Yeah, so nowadays I'm so busy, working in the office and then giving training to the teachers, because nowadays Indonesian, especially for the schools, the students, some area which is level 2 or level 1, the students will be back to school. So how about you guys? Is the students in your country now, is already back to the school, or they still home-based learning? Maybe I know that in our vlogs, some of our viewers also educators, teachers. So yeah, maybe you can comment in our vlogs and explaining how is the situation, the education system in your country.
Last 3 days you had the opportunity to see Winnie on the vlogs, and probably next Monday, Tuesday, 5-6 days I will be by myself. However, I hope so you still enjoy watching my vlogs, only if I am by myself. You can comment below who you prefer watching more. The answers, only proper answer is both of you guys. Anyway, I think that's it for today's vlog, right?
So is Nusa Dua ready to welcome you guys? So this is how it is. Okay, thanks for watching and
See you tomorrow. See you, take care, guys.